Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to share or talk about alternate picking. I'm going to share my tips on how to work with your alternate picking. This is very simple but so effective for me, and especially this is a really good timing for me since I didn't play guitar for like 2 weeks, so I feel like my fingers feel so stiff and it really sore in this part. So yeah, first of course you need to warming up a little bit before you start practice, like doing this. Hold that for around 10 seconds. This one, your joints, to avoid injuries, guys. And also like this. You can do it properly. Don't follow me. This is just example. Don't do it too fast, right? And also like this. Hold your hand together and start to play like this. To move like this. Alright. Sorry for my broken English, guys. And then the exercise that I want to share you is pretty simple. It's from E minor, the second chord. This is E minor. But we're gonna play from the second one. 17 and 19. So the licks. Right, it's pretty simple, right? I assume you already know how to alternate picking, but if you don't know how to alternate picking, it's you start with down, up, down, and when you change the string to the next string, you start with up, down. I'm sorry, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 3 notes per string, right? Down, up, down, up. Just like that. And the licks are so simple. There's nothing special actually, but it really works for me. The licks are like this. So you start with 3 notes, and then the second string you go for 5 pick, because you want to go back to the lowest one. And you can keep going until the highest string. Something like that. Alright, I'm gonna show you slow. Sorry for my tempo, by the way. So again, the whole legs are gonna be like this. So this is the fast one. As you can see, I still messed up some notes there. You can practice with that licks with metronome. Depends on what level you are. You can start with 50 BPM and then increase for 5 BPM, 55, and then 60, and until you reach your goals. I think it's really good because it really practice your ascendant and descendant, and your picking will be like non-stop, you know. That's the idea. It probably sounds boring, but for me, if I want to reach my goal, I will do it, guys. So I hope you find this useful. I'm sorry, this is my first time make short kind of tutorial videos for guitar, and I really hope I can improve on the next one. And see you guys on the next video. Bye.